All right, so JavaScript implicit project config experimental decorators. Enable, disable experimental decorators for JavaScript files that are not part of a project. Existing jsconfig.json or tsconfig.json files override a setting. Requires using TypeScript 2.3.1 or newer in the workspace. So let me show you what this looks like. Let's leave this as false for now so that I can show you the error that shows up. And so I installed the Mobex React, which is a state management tool for React. And I added the observer decorator. I was missing the word. And if you do that, VS Code will yell at you saying that experimental support for decorators is a feature that is subject to change in a future release, and you need to set that setting to true. Okay, so if you want to use decorators in JavaScript, you need to set this setting to true, and VS Code will accept decorators. Now, I find this setting to be obviously useful, so I'm going to leave it as true. If I run into some kind of problems though, I'm just going to disable it, but that's it for now.